Hey all you cool cat and kittens, it's Mrs. Johnson again. I'm here to do another fun math lesson with you. This math lesson is again about story problems, and it's Funny Hat Day. So you have the task of trying to figure out how many hats I'm going to wear during this video. Okay, so on your first side of your math worksheet, you have two circles, and those circles are supposed to be plates, and it says Mateo has 6 apples and 2 plates. How can he put the apples on the plates? How many ways can you put the apples on the plates? So if you had 6 apples and you could put some here and you could put some here, I'm going to start by putting maybe 2 apples on this plate, and then I have to get all the way to 6. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I have 2 apples on this plate, I would have 4 apples on this plate. Oh, the numbers are backwards. Let's see if I can write those better. 2 apples on this plate, 4 apples on this plate. But that's not the only way you can arrange these apples. Okay, so 2 and 4 aren't the only ways we can arrange these apples. And you guys are lucky, at your house you get to do this with anything you have at your house. So if you have blocks or something, you can pretend those are the apples. Before we had 2 here and 4 here. So let's start with a different number over here. So let's say we have 5 apples on this plate. So if I have 5 over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I would only need 1 more over here to get to the 6th apple. So I would have 5 on this side and 1 on this side. And that's another way to make 6 apples. Now I just did all the ways. I think there are 7 ways to arrange these apples on the plate. See if you can figure out all 7 on your worksheet. So the other worksheet that we have put in there for you is this extended worksheet. And in this one, we are just asking for you to show ways that mean put together. So if you think about the words put together, you might remember that it's a way to say addition, or if you have 2 piles and you push them together, it gets more. So in this box, you might draw a picture of 2 things that are getting put together. Maybe you'll write a number sentence that would show put together, or you could just use some words and describe what it is. You could draw 2 pictures if you wanted, or however you would like to do it. Don't forget to... Well, I ran out of crazy hats, so I was just putting my normal hat back on. I was gonna say, don't forget to send your teacher a picture of your work so that we can see how hard you guys have been working at home. Thanks for watching. Let me know how many hats you saw in my video. I hope you had fun.